Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Indazila Putri. Now I am student in University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. I am currently student in 2 semester as a student faculty Indonesian Language and Literature Education. Here I am promoting the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, the Teaching and Education Faculty Study Program and Indonesian Language, the program speaker. Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang is the largest private university with the largest number of students in Banten province. In addition to that, in order to continue to maintain public trust, Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang in 2015 has held the Higher Education Institution Accreditation, National Accreditation Board from Higher Education until 2000. We continue to improve the quality of teaching and learning at Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. The address of the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang is facility at Jalan Pioneer of Independence No. 1, 33 Cikokol, Tangerang. University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang has 8 faculty, namely Law, Economic and Business, Islam, Art Science, Engineering, Social and Political Science, Tourism, and Creative Industry, and Teacher Training and Education. Indonesian Language and Literature Education is one of the leading study programs at the Faculty of Teacher Education at the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, which produce knowledge of good and effective Indonesian language skill, starting from speaking, reading, and listening skill. You will have to learn local material in this study program. In addition, there are also lectures phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and so on. But not only about theory, you will also be taught the right way and method in teaching Indonesian. Listen creatively, innovatively, so that students can understand them one way. Other knowledge and skills that you can gain from studying in the Department of Indonesian Language and Literature Education include the ability to communicate orally in writing, the ability to understand reading, analyze, think systematically, interpersonal skill. In addition to gaining knowledge and skill in Indonesian but orally in writing, there are many other benefits that you can give it decide to major in Indonesian language education. Anything? First, the main career with what opportunity for you after completing college. Majoring in Indonesian language and literature education is to become an Indonesian language teacher. By becoming a teacher of Indonesian language and literature, you have the opportunity to maintain and teach Indonesian to all corners of the country, even to foreigners who want to learn Indonesian. Second, as a graduate of Indonesian Language and Literature Education, you can not only preserve Indonesian at home, but also abroad. You can take part in Indonesian language program for foreign speaker, designed by the Language Agency. Third, not only is a teacher, you also have the opportunity to have a career in journalism, of course as journalist, with the ability to speak Indonesian but verbally, and in writing that you get from college majoring, Indonesian language education plus creativity. You can also work in the field of writing by becoming a writer or editor. People learning Indonesian language and literature, especially those that are in contact with the ideal dimension of an educational process. Then people learning that we have done so far must be able introduce and educate aspects of the character and identity of Indonesian nation. This becomes important to be assessed as policy and action in people learning, because BIPA learning is actually not only teaching Indonesian as a sense or skill, but more importantly, BIPA learning as an opportunity to be an entrance for character and identity education. The Indonesian nation, including it as a golden opportunity to introduce the character and identity of the Indonesian to foreign speaker. BIPA learning will be very interested and at the same time will get a lot of benefits when he is given the opportunity in his learning process to absorb the wisdom of Indonesian people. Thus literary work as BIPA teaching materials. From a literary work, a BIPA learning can, among other things, obtain one valuable authentic material, 2 cultural agreement, 3 language agreement, and 4 personal development. And this level of personal development, a BIPA learning that as literary work teaching materials will be well organized, active, and meaningful BIPA education, namely learning to have and build character and identity. The regimen of teaching materials and learning strategies for character and identity in BIPA means that in responding to it, it is not just a task or obligation, but we must have the commitment and motivation to prepare it carefully. If we relate it to the ultimate goal of the learning process. Teaching is teaching students to have and apply the virtues they have learned. So the selection and precision of BIPA learning material is very decisive. 5 basic attitudes consisting of 1 honest, 2 open, 3 dare to take risks and be responsible, 4 commitment, and 5 sharing. We can explore top 4 tests that we adopt as teaching materials in BIPA learning.